Welcome back. It's been a few days, but I believe we got elevation sickness going from Reno to Lake Tahoe and then back within a couple of hours. Oh well. Now we are off to LA. I believe their car rental is up in Inglewood, always up to no good. Anyhow, when we get off the plane, I guess then I will come back and we will start seeing what's what. Smog is real. Couldn't get the LAX sign, so this will have to do. But we're in LA, we got a car, and now we go find it. It's crazy. It's this building. I'm guessing that everything below this 5th floor is parking for cars, because man, all the way up here to register to go back down to the 1st floor. So this is what we got. Drop top Mustang, living the Cali life, the LA life. Self-driving car. LA out here living like 3031, man. No one's in it. So we are at a Taco Bell, but it's an upscale Taco Bell. And they serve alcohol here.
You only ordered the top.
So we made it to LA. Let's go check out the Fast and Furious house. We made it to the house. Ugh, sun's in my eye. But you can see the fence there to keep everyone out. It's all good. We're here. I can hear the music now. And of course, you know, while you're at the house, down the street, literally, you can almost see the house from standing in front of Bob's Market or Toretto's Market. So I couldn't come here and not buy something. This was quite cool, quite fun, for sure. For me, highlight of the trip, but we're not done yet. Back in the car, drop the top, and cruise LA. Looking for car meets though for tonight. So we're knocking another bucket list thing off the list. Here you go. Now I can say I've been here. One of the shows that we watch. Chef. Or sorry, The Bear. Cool. Dolby Theater is over here. Can't get to see the sign now. It's too late by the time I pulled out the camera. We're on Sunset Boulevard. That's kind of cool. Feel like Axel Foley. So Mrs. Phil has something to say.
We're driving down Sunset Boulevard at sunset. Pretty cool.
I can dig it. Little Lamborghini action. Urus. We in Beverly Hills now, baby. Rodeo Drive. Here we come. Oh, we're definitely in the ritzy part of town. See that little red car over there? Can you name it? In the comments down below, name it. Hopefully you get a whole shot of the car. Feeling the red with the black roof though. Whoa. I can smell money. Oh, you don't smell it?
Yeah, I definitely do. It totally changed though. Like the scene just totally.
Yeah.
It did not.
Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, Couture. But man. Oh look, there I am. Yeah, that's me. You didn't know? F8. Tributo. Did I pronounce that correctly? It's tribute in Italian.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were trying to say. I think you said it properly.
Dior, Burberry, another Louis Vuitton, because you can't just have one. Oh, Harry Winston. Nice.
You have arrived.
Oh my goodness.